If you are planning a visit to Flathead County, Montana, up near Glacier National Park, or just looking to buy a home or a property in the area, and you're wondering what the town of Kalispell has to offer, you are in luck, because today Suzanne and I are going to bring you along on our downtown walking tour of Kalispell. We're just going to head down Main Street, basically from 1st to 4th, turn around, come back, and give you just a little tour of the shops and dining opportunities available here in Kalispell. If you are new to the channel, thank you so much for joining us. We love having you. Please do hit that subscribe button and stay a while. If you would like to see more videos on Montana living, recreation, and real estate. And if you do find anything in here helpful, please do give a big thumbs up. It really helps us out. All right, let's get going.
Let's go.
Okay, so we are starting right here on Main Street. That light right there is Center Street. And we are just going to head south down Main. First place of note right here on the right is Norm's Soda Fountain. It's been here, I believe, since the 40s, and you definitely need to check it out. They have burgers, shakes, ice cream, candy shop. It's a super fun place for the kids and so tasty. And then this here on the right is the Western Outdoor, which is just a really fun place for gifts and all things Western, right?
Yeah, it's been here for a long time.
So many cowboy boots in there and hats, and yes. And then down in the basement, there is also an antique area.
Yeah.
It has a bunch of different booths of different antiques and stuff that are featured. That is a lot of fun as well. So coming up right here across the street is the Grand Hotel, which is I actually featured it in the Kalispell Eat Stay Shop play that I did in 2020. Suzanne and I are getting ready to do another one, so stay tuned for that. Hit that subscribe and that notification bell. But they actually have redone this, the whole interior, since I featured it last. So it's definitely worth checking that out. Okay, Suzanne, have you been to the Ritzy?
No, I haven't.
Oh, I love the Ritzy. Okay, Suzanne and I are gonna have to take a trip to the Ritzy. So it's a bar in the front, like a very kind of upscale type bougie type bar situation, and then in the back there is a salon for nails.
Yeah.
Manicures, pedicures, have a glass of champagne. It's just super fun.
Yeah, but
Okay, have you been in Sassafras?
I have been in Sassafras, yes.
Yes, this one is fun. This one was also in the Eat Stay Shop play. They just have arts, crafts, antiques. It's a cooperative, so it's a bunch of different vendors in there as well. Flowers by Hanson for all of your flower shop needs. Okay, so this is Lion and Pearl, and this is actually owned by one of my past clients, and it is absolutely adorable. So it's moms and kids. Mostly it's a kids store, baby and kids, but then they also have super nice outfits for moms as well. So definitely check that out. Yeah, they're so great. Now this is newer, Flathead Running Company. This used to be the toy store, Imagination Station.
The Imagination Station, yeah.
And now it's set for all of your running needs.
Yeah.
That's not quite as fun to me as a toy store, personally, but some people might like that. And then this is Honey Home Design right here. And they do an amazing job with interiors. So if you have some interior needs, definitely check them out. This is Modern Pastime. Have you been in here?
I haven't been in Pastime.
They have one in Whitefish also.
Yeah, I haven't been in there.
So they have some clothes, gifts, some kitchen items. They are a super great store to check out as well.
I need to do more shopping.
I know, Suzanne, we need to get you out more. All right, so we've made it to 2nd. While we wait at the light. So this is kind of the skywalk. It goes between the bank, Glacier Bank, and then also over to some of the county services. So the plat room and some other things that we actually need to use for real estate.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then down this way is the Mercantile Steakhouse, which is really great. Get the New York strip there. Our brokerage owner was just talking about that today. I love all of the lamp posts and the flowers that they do for summer down here. And then in the winter, they also do like a nice job with the garland and the lights and stuff. So I think this building is currently for sale, for lease. So if you are looking for an opportunity here in downtown and you need a space, let us know. We'd be happy to help you out with the details on that. Okay, now this one here is a super fun store, and you would miss it if you weren't aware that it's here because they haven't done a lot with the windows. This is Seasons. She's gone a lot. She travels all over the world to get products for in here, and she has some high-end brands in there, and it's super vintage and just so much fun to check out. So Valley Bank is over there. I don't know if you can see the little rubber on top with the dog. That's something fun that Kalispell has is all throughout the downtown area are little kind of, what do you call those? They're not statues, but like
figurines.
Yeah, little kind of figurines, life-size figurines on different buildings. Like by the Mercantile that I pointed to, there's a little bear on the top of it. They're just kind of random. So it's a fun game if you're visiting for the kids to play, trying to spot those. Okay, we're at 3rd now, and this is Sauce and Bread Eatery, which I have not been to.
I have not.
It used to be Bella Italia, which has now moved over in Evergreen. Open Sauce and Bread, 11:30 to 3, 5 to 9.
Check that out. Cute.
I know. I like bread. I like sauce. That sounds more fun than a running store. Okay, music store.
Oh,
if you're a musician, definitely check that out. Are you a musician?
I play guitar. I used to play it.
What? Suzanne plays guitar. I didn't know that. Learned something new. Okay, so this is Cerese's, and there is a little, let's see if we can get it. The camera doesn't want to go up there. There is a figurine on top of Cerese's. Little lady on a bike. Bakery, coffee shop, so good. Do you know him?
No.
It's just, well, even okay, great. Friendly town here in Kalispell. And here we have a rug shop. I've actually never been in, to be honest. Rug gallery. It's a gallery, not a shop. Sales, cleaning, repairs. Actually, I probably should bring my rug to be cleaned.
Yeah, I'm just thinking I didn't bring mine.
That would be a good idea. Nailtopia, another nail spot. And then M&S Meats, which is great for jerky. Oh, yeah. So if you're in the area and you want some good jerky, definitely check that out. This one is, I don't think anything's in here right now.
That's a cute little.
It is a cute spot. And then right up here we have Rose Mountain Floral. So another florist.
Okay, well, before we head back down Main Street, we should introduce ourselves. I'm Suzanne Warner, and this is...
I'm Janet Cantrell, and we are local realtors in the area of Flathead County, Montana. And we just love sharing more about Montana living, real estate, and recreation. So if you are looking to buy or sell a property or home here in the area, please reach out. We would be honored to help you with that. And if you're just looking to visit, we hope this helps you as well. And don't be shy. Put a comment in the box below. We love hearing from you guys. Okay, so we've made it to 4th. There is a bit more down this way. Bias Brewing and Tap House, and they have the rooftop dining, well, drinking. They don't have a lot of food options there, but it's a fun place to go and sit on the roof and hang out. Further down is Coulter Coffee, another coffee shop. Wheat Montana Bakery and Deli. You should definitely try there. They have that, it's a huckleberry jam, turkey, cheese sandwich.
Oh yeah, they
That my daughter
cinnamon
loves.
rolls on there too.
Oh yeah, the Huckleberry cinnamon rolls are great.
And they're like the size of your face.
Right, yeah, they're huge. You can split them between 4 people for sure. Okay, so we're gonna cross over here and head back the other direction. We'll be going north now. Sweet Peaks ice cream, definitely a must hit. And currently they have this burger truck out here. It is, shoot, what is the name? Gary's Burger Truck. And I guess they have one of these in Missoula also, my daughter said.
Oh, I haven't tried that.
And they are, I heard, amazing. I need to try them out still.
Burger and ice cream can't go wrong.
I know. And then Mary's Mountain Cookies is here now. This is new this year.
New, yeah.
Yep. So if you want a specialty, huge cookie, that's the place to go.
It smells good.
I know, it smells so good. I'm getting really hungry. Okay, this is the Toggery. And they just always have classic, nice brands and stuff. So for any of your needs, clothing needs while you're in the area.
Yeah, like good sporting goods stuff.
Yeah.
Clothing, yeah.
It's a great one to hit up. Okay, here is Blue Samurai, and this is my favorite sushi place in the entire valley. I know it's an argument. Some people prefer Sakatumi in Big Fork, but I like Blue Samurai, and they were featured in my Eat, Stay, Shop play also back when. This is Thai Palace. They have an A+ in the health department, but other than that, I popped in once.
I haven't been in.
And we didn't stay because we saw some of the food and we were like,
Yeah.
I don't know how I felt about it.
It's not your thing.
Well, I like Thai food.
Oh,
it
you
just
do?
didn't look
It didn't look appealing.
super appealing.
This is pretty new. I've been in there. Like,
Yes, did you go in?
yeah.
Yeah, it's new. I haven't been in yet. It's Big Sky Bricks, but they have all the Lego
They got a little
sets.
play area in the back too for
Oh,
kids.
that is so
Really
fun.
cool. My nephews would love that.
Oh, yeah. And then this is Big Sky Martial Arts. So a lot of the local kiddos
Yeah.
come and learn there.
Martial arts.
Yes, whatever those would be.
Karate.
Yes. That's weird. They got second place. I wonder who got first. I didn't even know we had another martial arts.
Yeah, I didn't know either.
Nice.
Well, there is one off of 93.
Okay. So some artwork here along the wall, which is fun, and the library is right down that way. But we're going to keep going straight down Main Street. That's more Legos.
Yeah. More games.
That's, oh, games.
Big game.
Is that must be coming new.
Done big.
Coins and carrots, jewelry, artwork.
You've been around.
Another salon Jaslyn. And then up here is the refinery, and they are a used clothing store. So you might be able to find some unique pieces in there. Sage and Cedar. Have you been in Sage and Cedar? Yeah. Okay. Do you have a favorite in there?
Not necessarily favorite. I love it all because I'm a massage therapist. So.
Right. So that's right up your alley.
Yeah.
And this is Ellen and Fine Jewelry. They were new last year. And so they have, you know, if you need diamonds or beautiful gold jewelry or silver or anything, they're a good place to pop into. I think they're still kind of getting the decor up in there, so it's a little bit sterile at the moment. But this is Montana Scene.
This is cute.
Yeah.
It's a
Again,
good souvenir shop for people.
it is a perfect souvenir shop. All of your Montana themed t-shirts, sweatshirts, ball caps, all the things. And then Meanies for all of your formal wear needs.
Yeah, weddings.
Yep. And then this is House of Nails. I have not been into House of Nails,
Yeah, I haven't either.
but they have Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday 20% off specials, so
Oh.
maybe I should try it out. All right, let's make this light. We're gonna speed up just a touch.
The running shoes.
Yep. Okay, so we're crossing over 2nd Street right now. This is Bird and Billy. It's a coffee house. This one is new this year also.
I really do need to get out more. I haven't been in there either.
It's crazy how often things change. Yeah, I felt that in Whitefish when I did the walking tour there. Astute Salon and Spa. Okay, this is Princess Buck. So this might be that store where Heidi got her dress.
Yep.
Okay, so this is newer as well, but it's super cute in there. Some great, mostly clothing.
Yeah.
You say?
Her changing room is really cool.
So go in and check out the changing room, Suzanne says. This is Rocky Mountain Outfitters for all your sporting goods needs.
Rock climbing, really good for rock climbers.
Yeah. We got some kayaks in there, it looks like. And then this is a print shop. It's going to be okay. And Good Luck Gallery. I feel like this is new too. I don't think I've been in here.
Oh, my sister said this restaurant is awesome.
Hops?
Yeah, Hops.
A lot of people really like Hops.
Yeah.
It's a little bit darker in there, but they have good food, so definitely worth checking out when you're in town. And then this is Brick's Bottle Shop, which is a lot of fun because they typically have, you know, some wines from some different countries, different regions, different areas, and they know a lot about them. Montana Coffee Traders, a classic.
Oh yeah, that's a classic. Montana classic.
That's right. And then this is, this was a used bookstore. Is it still the bookshelf? I think it is used books. They might have some new ones as well.
Yeah, I've been in there. That's good.
So if you need some good reading material or a coffee table book, it'd be worth checking out. So we are pretty much back where we started. Right over there is Norm's News. You'll see the horse and carriage up there for the Western Outdoor Store. And then there is another kids boutique up here. Oh, and Bonelli's Bistro is actually over a street, but it is so yummy.
Oh, so good. Some of my favorite spots.
All right, so that concludes our walking tour of downtown Kalispell.
Bye. Thanks for joining us.
So I just pulled out and realized we should have gone a little bit further because Swappers down there, it says Huge Mall down, is kind of a vintage shop as well with different vendors that my daughter absolutely loves. So that might be worth checking out if you're in the area. And then up here is kind of the Chamber of Commerce little park area where a lot of times they'll host the art festivals, different things. And then up ahead, also featured in my Eat, Stay, Shop, Play of 2020, is Moose's Saloon, which is just a lot of fun. They have the sawdust on the floors, the peanuts where you throw the shells on the floors. It's dark in there. You kind of walk up and order your pizza. I love their pizza. It's definitely maybe, you know, once every now and then. It's kind of that thin crust, and I like the cheese the best, but they have a lot of great flavors there, right there, Moose's Saloon. So definitely check that out as well. Well, we hope you guys enjoyed that walking tour. Thanks so much for joining us today. Have an amazing week, and we will see you next time.
Yes, thank you.